This showroom is not selling you televisions. It's running the same con on every customer who walks through the door. Every screen on that wall burning as bright and as sharp as it possibly can for the 90 seconds you stand in front of it, because 90 seconds is all it needs to win. Nobody on that sales floor is thinking about your living room in 2029. They're thinking about tonight's number. So you walk the aisle and one TV keeps pulling your eye back. Massive screen, price that almost feels like a mistake. You do the math in your head. This is more television than you should be able to afford, and it looks incredible. Genuinely. Under those store lights, it is not lying to you. Not yet. Here's what it's not telling you. To hit that price, the manufacturer stripped the lighting system down to the bare minimum and crammed it around the outer edge of the panel instead of spreading it evenly behind the screen. That's the entire secret hiding in plain sight under the spec sheet. It's not a worse TV because the picture looks worse today. It's a worse TV because of what that edge lighting quietly does to itself over time, working twice as hard to push light into a screen it was never built to fully illuminate. Fast forward 2 years. That perfect black background you fell in love with isn't black anymore. It's a patchwork of gray blotches, brightest at the edges, murky in the middle, like you're watching everything through a window somebody forgot to clean. You call around for a repair quote and it comes back higher than what you paid for the whole TV. So it goes to the curb. And you're standing in a showroom again, about to make the exact same choice, because nothing you saw under those lights ever warned you this was coming. That's the part retailers never say out loud. The cheapest TV on the shelf is almost never the cheapest TV to own. So before you fall for the same trick twice, here are the 6 televisions actually built to survive the next decade, ranked by how well they'll hold up long after the showroom lighting is gone. Number 6. Sony Bravia 9 II. If the idea of babysitting organic pixels makes you nervous, this next television solves that problem entirely. The Sony Bravia 9, also known as the Bravia 9 Series 2, utilizes a premium mini LED panel. Sony's flagship 2026 mini LED is built with heirloom-grade engineering and class-leading image processing. When you buy a high-end Sony, you're paying heavily for their image processor, which handles motion, upscaling, and color accuracy better than almost anyone in the industry. Because the Bravia 9 Series 2 utilizes an LED foundation rather than organic pixels, it's entirely immune to burn-in. You can leave static logos, news tickers, or video game menus on the screen all day long without any permanent damage. It will easily outlast a decade of heavy use. Furthermore, it provides one of the most natural, controlled pictures available on the market today. The mini LED backlight creates brilliant, punchy highlights without the fear of degrading the panel over time. You do pay a steep premium for Sony's legendary reliability, but for a television meant to last 10 years, that upfront cost buys you peace of mind. You never have to worry about what you leave on the screen. Number 5. TCL QM7L SQD. What makes this television a brilliant choice for longevity is its exceptional durability to price ratio. It delivers an incredibly bright, vibrant image without the premium flagship price tag. For those who have a sunlit living room and are shopping on a strict budget, this television provides the robust backlight endurance needed to survive a full decade without rotting from the inside out. Mini LED displays do not suffer from the organic degradation issues found in standard OLED panels, meaning you can blast the brightness to overcome harsh afternoon glare without experiencing long-term anxiety. TCL has also significantly improved their internal component quality, ensuring the power supply and processing boards can handle years of heavy use. If you want a relentless workhorse television that routinely punches above its weight class while offering peace of mind, the QM7L serves as an incredibly solid foundation. Number 4. LG C6. LG finally gave the fan-favorite C-Series a comprehensive hardware upgrade for this year. Select sizes of the brand-new C6 now feature the highly anticipated tandem OLED panel paired with advanced hyper-radiant technology powered entirely by the state-of-the-art Alpha 11 Gen 3 processor. This structural shift brings undeniable improvements to maximum brightness levels, overall color volume, and crucial energy efficiency. The longevity secret lies entirely in the innovative tandem OLED architecture. By stacking two distinct organic emission layers directly on top of each other, the panel can produce the exact same amount of luminance while driving each pixel at exactly half the electrical power. This drastically reduces internal thermal stress and organic material wear, exponentially increasing the overall lifespan of the display. It transforms the C6 into a remarkably reliable, fantastic cinephile display, specifically designed for light-controlled rooms. You receive the infinite contrast and pixel-level lighting control LG OLEDs are famously known for, but with a massive leap in long-term structural durability. If this guide is helping you separate the televisions built to last from the expensive mistakes, subscribe to Valid Consumer. That is exactly what we do here. Number 3. Hisense UR9. Hisense's new flagship model confidently steps away from standard LED configurations and fully embraces advanced RGB mini-LED architecture. By utilizing sophisticated, dedicated red, green, and blue microlights rather than relying on a standard white backlight paired with a traditional color filter, the UR9 achieves a massive, unprecedented level of color volume. This structural innovation allows the television to push an eye-searing brightness level that handles sun-drenched, window-filled rooms flawlessly. Most importantly, for a guaranteed decade-long lifespan, this structural design avoids underlying burn-in risks entirely. Standard LED setups often suffer from severely degraded color filters over the years, inevitably leading to a washed-out picture. The UR9 bypasses this degradation completely by generating pure RGB light directly at the source. This means the heavily saturated colors you see on day 1 will remain exactly as vivid in year 10. For consumers who demand absolute peak brightness for daytime sports viewing and aggressive gaming in bright environments without ever having to baby the screen, Hisense has engineered a true long-term powerhouse. Number 2. LG G6. The undisputed pinnacle of LG's new lineup, the phenomenal G6 utilizes a cutting-edge second-generation 4-layer OLED panel capable of pushing remarkably past 3,000 nits of peak brightness. This groundbreaking metric represents a staggering 20% jump over last year's highly regarded G5 iteration. However, immense brightness means nothing without corresponding physical durability. To fiercely protect its long-term longevity, LG implemented an advanced custom heatsink technology designed specifically to pull dangerous thermal energy away from the delicate organic pixels, aggressively preventing permanent burn-in. Furthermore, it utilizes a brand new screen coating that successfully cuts ambient room reflections in half. The unique 4-layer OLED structure ensures that even when pushing blinding HDR highlights in cinematic action sequences, the underlying organic material remains remarkably cool and unstressed. The G series has always been LG's premium gallery tier, meticulously designed to sit perfectly flush against your living room wall like high-end art. Number 1. Samsung S95H. The S95H builds gracefully upon the solid foundation of last year's acclaimed S95F by officially introducing a completely redesigned QD-OLED panel. This new engineering marvel delivers a massive 35% increase in peak HDR brightness. Samsung successfully mitigated OLED technology's biggest traditional weakness, annoying daytime screen glare, by carefully implementing a state-of-the-art glare-free screen coating. Wrapped beautifully in an ultra-premium brushed metal frame with flawless 4K 165Hz gaming support and an exceptionally convenient optional wireless One Connect box, it stands tall as the most feature-complete, future-proof television you can securely mount on a wall right now. The brilliant addition of the wireless One Connect box serves as a massive longevity advantage. It separates the hot, heavy power supply and complex processing brains from the delicate display panel itself. By isolating the heat-generating components externally, the panel runs significantly cooler, drastically extending the life of the fragile QD-OLED pixels. If HDMI connectivity standards change 5 years down the line, you theoretically only need to upgrade the external processing box rather than throwing away a beautiful display panel. It's the absolute ultimate decade-proof television experience. The 10-year survival checklist. Finding a specific model is helpful, but model numbers change every year. Knowing how to spot a display built for the long haul is what actually saves you money. When you want a television to last 10 years, you have to ignore the marketing terms printed on the box and look directly at 3 things: the backlight, the panel material, and the software. If you want durability, you have to avoid edge-lit panels. These televisions push light from the borders of the screen inward. That forces a small number of LEDs to run incredibly hot just to illuminate the center of the image. That constant, concentrated heat is exactly why cheap edge-lit panels so often end up on the curb in 3 years. Instead, you want mini LED or full-array local dimming. These systems spread thousands of lights evenly across the entire back of the panel, meaning they operate at lower, safer temperatures. You also have to be honest about your viewing habits. OLED panels deliver absolute perfection in a dark room, but they use organic pixels that will degrade unevenly if exposed to static, repetitive images. If you play video games with permanent menus for hours, or if you leave the television on a news channel with a scrolling ticker all day, you're actively burning out the screen. For those specific viewing habits, a mini LED panel is the only bulletproof choice for a 10-year lifespan. Now, look at the back of your television. If you want a screen to remain relevant over the next decade, it needs multiple HDMI 2.1 ports. This gives you the bandwidth for 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rates, keeping the screen fully compatible with current and future gaming consoles. You also need to verify the software. A manufacturer that promises 5 to 7 years of operating system updates ensures your built-in streaming apps will keep working, meaning your hardware stays useful long after the initial purchase. Subscribe to Valid Consumer for more reliable electronics and best deals that could easily last you a decade.